Axis Mutual Fundos has launched new fund Axis S&P 500 ETF Fund of Fund. This fund is giving an opportunity to invest in international market with 500 top companies in international with the minimum amount of 500 rupees. Many of them listening first time that fund of fund and ETF. Fund of fund is nothing but instead of investing in each individual stock, they are investing in their own mutual fund or any other mutual fund or in international market mutual fund or ETF. What is ETF? ETF is exchange trade fund. This is likely to buying a stock, selling a stock in during the market hours. Similar way, you can buy ETF stock and sell ETF stock during the market hours. To do this, you need demat account in stock market. Otherwise, you can invest directly through mutual fund. The scheme opened for public subscription on March 22nd and will close on April 5th, 2023 and reopened within 5 working days for additional purchase. Allotment date is 12th April 2023. This fund will invest at least 95% of on net asset in unit shares of overseas exchange trade fund that is replicating in S&P 500 TRE. Remaining are in debt money market investment. This fund invests in 3 international ETF that is iShare Core S&P 500 UCITS ETF and HSBC S&P 500 UCITS ETF and SPDR S&P 500 UCITS ETF. This is the passive investment strategy as they were investing in already existing international ETF. So the expense ratio will be very less. Minimum investment to this fund is 500 rupees and SIP is 500 rupees. If you like to invest after allotment and minimum amount is 500 rupees. Exit load is applicable. Exit load is 0.25% if redeemed within 13 days. Tax is applicable. Returns are taxed at 15% if you redeem before 1 year. After 1 year, you are required to pay long-term capital gain tax that is 10% on your returns. Long-term capital gain is applicable only if your return is more than 1 lakhs in a financial year. This fund is giving opportunity to us for global exposure. Since the S&P 500 index tracks the performance of 500 large companies listed on the US stock exchange, investors can give global exposure. Let's look at similar kind of fund which is already listed in the market and we'll see what is the performance of that fund till now from the launch date. This mutual fund currently it is minus 1.77 negative return in last 1 month. But whereas in 6 months it gave 6.57 positive returns. But in 1 year it gave negative return that is minus 5.36%. Whereas the entire return that since from the launch date to till date it gave 14.44 positive returns. Currently this ETF fund is trading at 14.79 rupees. This mutual fund is invested in top companies listed in S&P 500 index in USA. So let's see some example companies that is top 10 companies listed in S&P 500 index in USA. First one is Apple, Microsoft Corporation, Amazon, NVIDIA Corporation, Tesla Motor, Berkshire Hathaway, Alphabet, INC Class A, Alphabet INC Class C, Exxon Mobil Corporation, United Health Corporation. As you know already, there is global market crisis from last year. We can say exactly from the COVID 2020. As a result, not only in US and globally, share market is in crisis situation, and you can see bear market rally frequently during this bear market. It will get more time to get resolved all these issues. So it will get rally market after 1 year or 1.5 year. It will take that much time. So what you have to do? At this crisis market, you don't need to invest entire money or large amount into this mutual fund. You can follow the smart way like other expert are following. What you can do, you can invest minimum amount, that is 500 rupees, in this mutual fund. Once it is listed, whenever the market goes down, the NAV will get in negative. That is, you if you buy on unit 10 rupees, then you will see unit that is lesser than 9 rupees or 9.5 rupees or even 8 rupees below the 8 rupees. During this each stage, you have to invest minimum to moderate amount. You can do additional purchase. How much you can do, that amount you need to consider, that is not required in another 5 to 10 years. For example, if you buy this mutual fund at unit of 10 rupees, invested 500 rupees. After 1 month, NAV moved to 9.5 rupees. At the time, you can invest another 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees. Same way, whenever it goes 9 rupees, at the stage you can invest another 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees. Even if you can invest more than 5000 rupees, you can do it. So these are the smart way to invest and get more unit at cheaper price. That is, you are buying more unit at discounted price. All these are only knowledge and information learning purpose. If you like to invest this mutual fund, you can do your analysis and research before investing this mutual fund. Do not blindly invest following any videos or any friends or relatives suggestion. Not only this mutual fund, and many fundos has launched Nasdaq 100 Fund of Fund. Almost all the mutual fundos like Kotak, Axis, ICICI, also different fund like Navi US Total Stock, ICICI Prudential US Blue Chip Fund, Nippon India US Equity Opportunity, Edelweiss US Technology Equity Fund, DSP US Flexible Fund. So you can analyze from your side and you can decide whichever suits for your requirement. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Keep on watching RN Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this. Thank you so much for your support.